I recently made a chicken parmigiana, and this is the vegetarian version of it. In my opinion, there aren't many things where the veg version is as good, but I honestly believe this is one of those. Hi everyone, I'm Aru from Arubakes, and let's make this vegetarian version of a chicken parma, an eggplant parmigiana. It's got all the yumminess of a chicken parma, the beautiful golden crust, the tangy marinara sauce, and of course, a shit ton of cheese on top. We start by slicing up the eggplant into 1-inch thick slices. Keep the skin on. Then sprinkle the eggplant slices with a generous amount of salt on both sides, and then let this sit for about half an hour. This will draw out any of the excess moisture from the eggplant. Pat this dry with some kitchen towel to get rid of any of the excess salt and moisture. Cover this with more dry kitchen towel and leave it aside until you prep the breadcrumbs. The crumb is where you really pack in the flavor to this dish. Season the breadcrumbs with grated Parmesan, lots and lots of garlic powder, paprika powder, oregano, and salt. Give this a good mix so that everything is well and evenly distributed. Beat a couple of eggs with a fork and then dunk the eggplant slices into the beaten egg. Make sure it's fully coated in the egg wash, even the sides. This is how you will get the crumb to stick to the eggplant. And then pop this into the crumb and sprinkle on lots of that crumb on top and really press this into the eggplant slice. For the chicken parma, we deep fried the crumb chicken. But for this, we're going to bake this until it's golden in color, which makes it a lot healthier, I think, if you don't really think about how much cheese we're topping this with. Pop this onto a lined baking tray. Always line your baking tray so that nothing sticks to it and it makes cleanup so much easier. Pop this in the oven and bake at 180 for about 20 minutes. And then carefully turn the eggplant slices over. Sprinkle a little bit more of that crumb on top and pop this back in the oven and bake again until it's golden in color. If you want to see more easy recipes like this, please take a moment now and hit that subscribe button for me. Top this with some marinara sauce. I'm using homemade marinara sauce and the recipe is on my previous video for beef cannelloni bake. But you can easily use some store-bought sauce for this to make life so much easier. Cover the entire top of the eggplant with the sauce and then load it up with a mix of mozzarella and cheddar. And then pop this under the grill for a few minutes until the cheese is bubbly and golden. Sprinkle some chopped basil and enjoy. And that is my version of an eggplant parmigiana. Give this a try at home and let me know what you think. And as always, please like and subscribe to my channel, Arubakes. Thanks for watching. Bye.